Good day everyone, welcome. So if you need to transfer your PrizePicks winnings to Cash App, here's a quick and easy guide to get your money in just a few steps. Firstly guys, you need to open up PrizePicks website and tap on your profile and go to the withdrawal section. So after that, choose the withdrawal method. PrizePicks does not directly support Cash App, so you'll need to withdraw to a linked bank account or PayPal first. If using PayPal, make sure it's linked to your Cash App debit card or bank account. After that, withdraw your funds by entering the amount you want to withdraw. Select your preferred method, bank transfer or PayPal. Well, in our case, it's going to be, of course, from PrizePicks to Cash App, of course. Right, after that, confirm the withdrawal. It's usually processed between 24 and 84 hours, and transfer to Cash App. If you withdrew to your bank accounts, open Cash App and tap Add Cash to transfer the money. And that's it. Your PrizePicks winnings should now be in your Cash App. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick guides.